Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie yoga session. And for today, we are going to do a mellow meditation. So you'll just find any comfortable seat and we'll sit quietly for 5 minutes. So you'll sit in any comfortable seat. Okay, so I have my cushion here, or if you prefer to be a little bit higher, you can be on a bolster or a pillow, or maybe even on a chair. And then once you find that comfortable seat, hands can be on top of the knees, or maybe even together, okay, wherever it's comfortable for your shoulders, maybe do a few rolls. And then when you're ready, we'll just start to close the eyes. Just maybe let the gaze be soft. And then maybe just noticing the noises around your space. Noticing the sounds. Maybe noticing the air. Maybe noticing the smells. And then this time, be noticing the sensations inside. Be noticing physical sensations. Be noticing the mental sensations, the thoughts. And then can we find comfort as we try to weave through all of those? Can we try to find stillness? So you just slowly breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. Maybe the attention shifts outside. Maybe the attention shifts inside. Know that that is okay. Can we be comfortable with the sensations or feelings that slowly show up? Can we acknowledge the thoughts, acknowledge the feelings? And then just trying to find that comfortable movement of weaving through all of those. Slowly breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the nose. And then know that if you feel there's a need to fidget or to move, know that it's okay, maybe to even switch the placement of the hands. Again, shifting the attention to the noises outside. Shifting the attention to the noises inside. As we use the breath, just weaving through all of those and trying to find stillness. So we slowly breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. And then whenever you're ready, you bring the hands together in front of the heart. So you gently bow down the head, giving yourself gratitude for how that felt for you. And thank you for letting me guide you. Namaste. So I hope that was helpful for you. I know that for most, sitting still or sitting quietly is not an easy task, or it also can be very daunting. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.